If you apply your cream contour like this, and you have problems with it streaking like this, and not looking good, I'm going to show you a technique that will prevent that outcome. So please keep watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and leave comments. I'd love to hear from you, and let's get into the tutorial. In order to prevent the streakiness that you saw earlier, we are going to take the contour or bronzer shade or whatever you want to not be streaky, and place some of it on our hand widely like this. Then we're going to take our brush and we're going to pack the product into the bristles on the brush. And we're going to look in our mirror and we're going to place it where we want it. So lightly, I'm going to place it here. And that way we get absolutely no streakiness. So in conclusion, the technique I just showed you gives a very soft, natural look to both to your contour. It can be used for liquid and cream blushes, bronzer, cream bronzers. You blend it into put the liquid on your hand, blend it in evenly to your brush, and then stamp it on and blend it in. Very seamless, non-blurry, natural, beautiful look. It's how I achieved this look with my creams, my blush, my contour. I don't wear bronzer, so I didn't use bronzer on this. Plus, I think this color on me kind of doubles as a bronzer. It's more of a bronzer, and I like that. It gives some color to my face and structure without looking too heavy or like too much, which is what I like about this product. But I only like it if I use the technique I just showed you. I find that if I draw it on my face or even use it as dots, it leaves splotches. But when I use a brush, it's very smooth and very seamless and very beautiful. So I hope this tutorial helps you get a more natural look with your makeup and a non-streaky finish. And as always, my name's Mimi. Please leave a comment if you like this video and subscribe. I know a lot of people that are watching my videos are not subscribers, so if you please subscribe, that would truly help my channel to grow and so that I can make bigger, better, and more content for you from my opinions. And as always, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.